How old were you when you started your first fund, and how much did you raise?
Well, I was 28 years old. When I was 27, I was Director of Investments for Pittsburgh National Bank. I was running $6 billion, and I was doing a pretty good job because the Shah of Iran went under, and I had no experience whatsoever, so I said, this is easy, let's put all our money in oil stocks and defense stocks. If I had been a little older, a little wiser, I would have diversified. It went up a lot, so everybody thought I was a genius. I wasn't a genius, I just didn't know any better. So I go to this dinner in New York. I'm making $43,000 a year, and I give a presentation on the gold, and the guy says, you don't sound like you're from a bank. Why don't you start a firm? And I said, with what? I'm worth about $4,000. And he says, well, I'll pay you $10,000 a month to talk to you. So I started Duquesne Capital, and he said, you can raise money. Well, I'm such a good salesman, after a year and a half, I'd raised $900,000. So that's what I started with, $900,000. 2 years later, the guy that paid me $10,000 a month to talk to me, I woke up one morning, and he was going to jail. He had some scheme, and it cost Chase Bank $256 million. By then, I was up to a grand total of $7 million with a 1% fee. For those of you who went to the wrong school, I know all you